Welcome back, guys. Today we have another tutorial videos on how to connect your Honda Pilot infrared headsets. This not a wireless headset, it's called the infrared because they have an infrared on the headset, which will turn it on and connect it to your rear DVD entertainment system. So I got videos on question about how to connect those infrared headsets onto the back. So we're gonna go over that today. So let's go ahead and get this started. First of all, I'm going to put my car on ACC. Make sure I'm gonna turn the music off. Hopefully I'm not gonna get no copyright. So let's see. Turn the audio off. Accessory. Okay, right now the volume is very low right now. Okay. And you gotta make sure the rear entertainment system is on. So it will allow you to control in the back. Okay. So right now you can see just by pressing the engine start button, it's in the accessory mode, which is ACC mode. So I'm gonna move it to the back right now and then show you guys on how to connect those. Oh, this. All right, guys. So we are on the back at second row, and then I'm gonna flip this down. Let's see. So this is a left and right. I think I need to turn on my light. I'll be back. So as you can see, there's a label left, which is L, and right there. Make sure when you wear it, this infrared covers are facing forward, okay, or the front. Let me power on the unit. Oh, okay, so you guys hear the music now, okay? So it's basically that easy. You cannot use this headset. I don't think while you driving or the passenger in the front, okay? Let me show you guys. You see there's infrared for the left side with the somehow it shows two red LEDs over there, and then another two LED on this side. So that's how they transmit the sound to the headsets, okay? So the driver and the passenger, they can have their own individual sound, because right now it is connecting to the Bluetooth source on my wife's iPhone, and then on the back we are connecting to the XM radio right now. Call 844-711-8800. So those are the sound that is coming off on the headset. Okay, another tip for this headsets. If you go past the LCD right up there, well, kind of pass it a little bit more. then you're gonna lose a connection, okay? Because the infrared is not hitting up there. So maybe that's why those viewers out there, those subscribers out there, try to use this headsets while they try to drive or while they have a passenger in the front. That's why it's not working. You gotta sit in the back row. Right now I'm sitting in the middle of the row right here. So let me see you try to move it to the third row. See if it's gonna work. Yeah, so even the third row is working still. Okay? So as long as you're sitting behind those two infrared up there, as long as you're behind those two, it should work. Okay? So as you can see right now, we are on 105.9. And there's a 102.7 and all these different presets. I'm gonna hit to Bluetooth and see ED. So it's gonna play my Harry Potter movie right now. So enter. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the headset, okay? And you should have sound. And then you can toggle the switch, the volume, how loud you want to get.
He's mean. He's not there to play. You know, he's there to get Harry. He feels, I think, in the film that we're not sure if Harry's going to.
So yeah, it's pretty simple and easy. So you just have to make sure your battery is in and is fully charged. And then turn on your headset. So yeah, it's working. So it's just as simple as that, okay guys? Be sure to turn on your volume and then that's it. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video, and be sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and turn on that bell for notification. Alright, anyway, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys on the next video guys. Like always, peace out.